Hello everyone, in today's video we will be seeing on how to download and set up Sparkflows using the installer on a Windows machine. First, navigate to the website www.sparkflows.ai and then click on the download button. Now fill in all the personal details mentioned and then click on the download button to proceed to select the OS for which the installer is to be downloaded for. Now, select the Instructions button seen next to Windows. Before downloading the installer, make sure all the listed prerequisites have been completed. Once confirmed, click on the Download Installer button seen under Option 1 to proceed to download the .exe installer file. Once the Sparkflows installer is downloaded, open the installer. Now click on the Install Sparkflows button displayed in the installer window. Then click the Start Install button to begin the installation process. The installer will first check all prerequisites. After the prerequisites are verified, the download process will begin. Once the download process is completed, the tar file that has been downloaded, which contains the Sparkflows image, will begin to extract automatically. After the extraction is finished, the H2 database, H2DB, will be created as part of the setup process. If the H2DB is created successfully, a confirmation pop-up will be seen, which will allow to start the Sparkflows process on click of the Continue button in the pop-up window. By default, Sparkflows will start on port 8080. If required, you can modify the default port number before proceeding. After changing the port to your preferred value, click Continue to start the Sparkflows process on the new port. Once the Sparkflows server starts on the specified port, the localhost URL will automatically open in a new tab of the current active browser. If not, we can click on the Open in Browser button too. As we can see, the Sparkflows server has started on the browser on localhost, and we can log in with an admin user, analyst user, or business user. To view the current status of server, we can navigate back to the installer and click on the Dashboard menu button. On the dashboard menu, we can view all the information such as the server URL, the port it's running on, the Java setup related information, the WinUtils location information, and the H2DB status, location, and its size. To get further information related to the additional installer features like viewing logs, viewing the history data, navigate to the Sparkflows Read the Docs website, that is docs.sparkflows.ai. You can also get in-depth information and step-by-step procedure for installing Sparkflows using the installer.